Okay, guys, let's quickly take a look at GBP USD for the week. So, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So, let's start with GBP USD. We can see that for this week, we actually had a bearish move. Price actually dropped despite interest rates being increased. I mean, this movement was actually played out to actually take out a lot of traders. You guys must have known this, right? When a lot of traders are actually waiting or expecting this kind of movement upward, then all of a sudden this price will actually drop. Not that this movement will go up, it will definitely go. But as at now, price is actually playing out to actually take out a lot of kind of like market manipulation. So this is exactly what's playing out. But for sometimes I still think that this GBP USD will drop before it actually push up. So this is why we're going to take a quick look at this. Now, before we get started, I'll be pasting a link to my Patreon channel in the link below in the comment section below. So if you're interested in it, actually subscribe to it. What I tend to do is actually to put out high probability trade, trade that I believe and think that we have about 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. That is exactly what I would want to be putting out there. Actually, you can actually give it a try. Subscribe by the way, right? If you're interested, and actually just give it a try. You'll be able to if at the end of the month you actually don't get what you want, you can actually cancel this subscription. So you can see that this GBP USD, you can see on the full time frame, especially if you have to zoom it out, right? Full trend itself, at first we were on a bearish move. Price was literally dropping. Right now price is now pushing up, right? So because we want to know where this price will be moving for this week, we would want to see it drop to a next level, key level below. And one of the levels that I am watching out for is this level here. This is the level that I'm watching out for. Let me highlight it, which is a level of 1.18639. So this is the level we'll be watching out for this week on GBP USD, because GBP USD will definitely drop this week. Maybe then it will actually go up. Maybe after it has dropped, we'll see that bullish move. Reason why we will be having that such movement is that when we go to our daily time frame, we can see that this is a massive drop. All you just have to do is wait for a pullback to be made, maybe on Monday and Tuesday. You will definitely have to make that pullback. That pullback will be bullish, by the way. So if that pullback plays out, another drop will be made. So let's take a look at this DXY or USD index as per se. You can take a look at this movement, right? When you take a look at it, so that this price once was like a drop here, then a pullback, right, on this our DXY. Then when you take a look at this movement, this is another drop, and then a pullback being made here. It's played out here, right? Another drop, and now this is a pullback playing out. So this pullback will be expecting to actually hit a level of 103.336. That means the XY will continue to give us that bullish move till it hits a level of 103.336. So as it will be giving us this bullish move, we will be expecting GBP to drop. Basically, any other PS will be trading to GBP should end to USD. Sorry, any other PS will be trading to USD will definitely give us a drop. So this is why this week we're very much likely to get a bearish move. But first, let's kind of this is a drop. Wait for a pullback, right? Wait for a pullback, because a pullback will definitely play out. You will not get stopped out, right? So that is why I said wait for a pullback before you can go ahead and sell. Now let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. I mean, take a look at this massive. Let's just take a look at this to be a low, then a pullback that has been made here, then another low that broke the previous lows, and this is a pullback that picked up our 10-period simple moving average. Now this is a massive drop, so I mean this drop will not just continue down without giving us a pullback. That is why I said wait for a pullback before you can go ahead, and sell for the week. So GBP USD, still more bearish moves to be made, but wait for a pullback. So if you're interested in any of my content, exclusive content, check the comment section below. I'll be pasting a link. You can actually check out the link.